Now the news in detail. National Investigation Agency NIA has revealed that several arms looted from Manipur during the violence have made their way to pole-bound Bihar. The revelation came after the agency unearthed a deep-rooted arms smuggling record operating between Nagaland, Manipur and Bihar. According to ETV Bharat report, NIA recovered a cache of weapons and ammunition during a recent search operation at the house of an accused in Vaishali district of Bihar. The seizure from the residence of Sandeep Kumar Sinha, alias Chotu Lala, included one 9mm pistol, 18 live cartridges, 2 pistol magazines, 1 double-barreled 12-bore gun, 35 live cartridges of 12-bore ammunition, and 4,21,000 rupees in cash. Investigations revealed that Sandeep is a close associate of Bikas Kumar, the prime accused in the 2024 arms smuggling case and an active member of the trafficking network. The case was originally filed by Bihar police after the recovery of an AK-47 rifle and live ammunition. NIA took over the case in August 2024, linking it to illegal arms smuggling from Nagaland for circulation in Bihar. So far, 4 accused have been arrested and charge sheeted, while another accused was also arrested recently and is lodged in Bihar jail, Patna. Security officials said there is a strong possibility that a large quantity of looted arms from Manipur has already reached Bihar. Since the conflict erupted in May 2023, over 6,000 arms and 6 lakh rounds of ammunition, along with mortars, grenades, bulletproof vests, and police uniforms were looted from police barracks across Manipur. Officials suspect that the smuggled arms could be used in illegal activities during elections, including booth capturing and intimidation of voters in sensitive constituencies.